Welcome back everyone. I recently bought this Hyosung 650 GTR in purpose of rebuilding it and making my own version of it and with the mods that I want. And the bike at the moment still doesn't fire. It spins but it doesn't fire. So the battery is good. The starting system is good, and the only thing that I'm guessing that it's not good is that maybe the spark plugs or something is wrong with the carburetor, needs cleaning or whatever. I will start by removing all of the fairings, front, back, everything that I can remove, so I can get to the internals of the bike. Let's get started. need to remove the engine and the back, I don't know what is it called. But the thing is that now when I disassembled everything and it is visible, I can see that only way for me to properly rebuild this engine and to properly make it is to remove it and repaint it, clean it and repaint it, because still there is a lot of rust in kind of hard to reach places. So my goal at the moment is to disassemble everything, get it down to the frame, so I can tackle the frame and fix the frame first of all, and then I can slowly put things back together. That would be all for this video. If you want to see next one, be sure to subscribe. If you like it, like it. If you want to share it, it would help me a lot. Thanks. See ya.